Good morning, everybody. It's time for another shave. And for today's shave, I'm gonna be using Phoenix Shaving Clown Fruit. I don't know, I don't remember. It's been so long that I used it, probably a year. I don't know. Anyway, it smells it has some hints of Jolly Rancher with some other stuff. I don't know. It's different. Definitely different. Matching cologne splash. And for the brush, I don't have that much yellow brushes, so I'm going with an Oumo, black and yellow, ST1 not again, dry loaded. And for the razor, I'm gonna be using my Tatara Muramasa on 3, as you can see, with a Voskhod second use. So it should be good. I have about 2 days of growth, not much, but let's get to it. I was gonna hold the shave until Monday, but nah, I wanna shave. Hope everybody's doing well in this Saturday morning. Beautiful weather in Florida. It was on 64 this morning when I went out at 7, I think it was. So it's getting down finally. It's gonna get good weather now for a while. Wish it lasted longer, but unfortunately it's Florida. It's summer all year pretty much. No. I have no clue what I'm gonna do today. They open, something fell in my eye. They opened an academy recently, so I wanna check it out. Because Florida has a no tax on outdoor stuff until the end of the year, since September. If you want to go buy like kayak fishing, ammunition, guns, hunting stuff, outdoor stuff, you don't get taxed in that period. That's a good time. I should be buying some ammo, maybe. I was considering getting a 2011, but haven't checked if I have the one that I want. Smith & Wesson came out with a model. It's not a 2011, but it's similar. It's a single action. Looks interesting. It's the CSX, I think it was, the second version. The first one was a little bit finicky, but it looks cool. This lather is looking great. It's been a while since I used a PAA soap. I grab it great. I expanded to other artisans and kind of stray away from PAA. It's not a bad base or a performer, but PAA has something that it will hook you up or can hook you up. And they have a pretty good following because they are very, I would say, unique in the artisan field. The artwork. Look at the artwork. It's so old school. Yeah, and this one is simple, but you know, retro inspired thing. I enjoy that. The CK6 formula worked great, as you can see. No problem making a lather. It's already looking very wet, ready to go. Let's check. Let's get to it. What I grab, I strayed away from PA. It's not the herbal, like I said. It's like a pretty much another rabbit hole. Very smooth. Very mild feeling on level 3. I need a haircut. Haven't made out the time for the haircut. Man, I don't know what Tatara do to the razors, but they are so well balanced. And that helps the razor feel way better on the hand, and I would say even in the face. That one it's heavy, but it feels great on the hand. I don't really pick up much of the scent of the soap, really. From the top, yeah, it felt somewhat tutti frutti or Jolly Rancher. But now, pretty much nothing. Slickness is there. Pretty good slickness. Can't go wrong. CK6 still a good performer. Good performer. So far, since I have managed to stop buying soaps for now. I'm gonna use probably the PAs that I have. Next one should be either Greenwich Envy or sundown. Those are pretty much my favorites, aside from Droid Black being my top. Then I have Enoki and Sage, Red Planet 369, something like that. And Garden of Body. So hopefully I can, hopefully I don't buy more soaps. I have a ton of soap that I need. You know, it's one to get used, so. Definitely way too many soaps. Way too many. Performing well. I think the issue that I have, not issue, but I would say that maybe PAE is lacking is on skin feel, post-shave feel. To be more correct. Very smooth when across my neck. Definitely one of the better ones. Especially on this area that isn't the more loose skin. Couple of nicks, nothing serious. I'm doing. As always, I'm being a savage. I don't really mind nicking myself. To me, it's just me. Yeah, got everything. Got everything. Now, why do I use the sprayer to clean up my face when I had the sink open? I don't know. I'm special. Another gray shave. Need a gray haircut. That's what I'm missing. Not bad. Not bad at all. This one probably is gonna burn. Always shake it. This one probably is gonna burn. Yeah, a little bit of a burn. Yeah, it's like Jolly Rancher with something. It smells nice. But anyway. Thank you for watching as always. That's gonna be it for today. And I guess I'll see you on the next shave. Enjoy your weekend.